Hari ni I order quesadilla, beef quesadilla, and kalau datang Chili's ni memang wajib untuk order beef quesadilla. One of the thing yang best pasal Chili's adalah kids is free. With one adult punya serving, kita akan dapat satu kids free lah. So the ambience is good. The restaurant has been renovated from the previous. So yang ni the new cheese lah. Kalau korang tahu dulu the Chili's is different, but now quite different, but it feels more open daripada dulu. So dulu it's feels quite close, but now it's quite open. But other than that, it's good lah to be here. Right. If I were to share kan, dulu masa mengandungkan Rahman, there was a time yang I crave the quesadilla. So the Chili's quesadilla has always been my all-time favorite, and every time kalau pregnant pun mesti akan craving lah. Kalau tak percaya tanya Raf dulu, memang I akan like force Raf untuk datang pergi Chili's, cari kat mana ada Chili's because I want to eat quesadilla. So ini dia my beef favorite quesadilla. So dia memang sangat huge. The portion is very huge. So let's try this. Sangat sedap. And dia ada cream. Sangat sedap. Milk.
Wah, hari ni macam tadi ni quesadilla legend. Lama dah kita orang order ni. Wow, cheesy. Mantap, kena makan panas-panas. Next kita nak try Monterey chicken. So ada mashed potato, ada patty, grilled chicken, dan juga brokoli. Grilled chicken dengan cheese. Wow. Ada hint-hint pedas sikit. Rasa ayam dia memang juicy lah, juicy ayam dia. Highly recommend Monterey chicken. Mac and cheese. Oh, Rahim nak cakap juga.
This is and cheese.
Do you like it? Sedap?
Sedap.
Untuk menu dan promosi, korang boleh cek Instagram Chili's My. Tekan subscribe dan like video ni untuk follow konten-konten yang akan datang. Terima kasih menonton. Kita jumpa lagi.